Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add tattoo in Madden 27 Superstar mode. It's pretty easy. All I have to do, simply go to Character tab, simply select Change Gear, and here we need to go to Appearance tab and select the first option, which is for head and skin. Now over here, you need to go to the last or second last option to choose the tattoo for your left arm or right arm. So whichever tattoo you like, you can simply choose that, and you will also see how much coins you would need for this particular design or this particular tattoo. So if you have enough coin, you'll able to purchase it, or you'll able to equip that. So we have some free ones here, so we can simply select that in order to equip. And similarly, you can go to the last option to choose the tattoo for other arm. Again, we're gonna equip the free tattoo because I don't have enough coins. And yeah, you can see we have successfully equipped tattoo, or we have successfully added tattoo on our arms or on our player in superstar mode in Madden 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.